Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to select the custom for the first time for your team on the top 11 mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to win twice from the match. Okay, you need to win twice, and if you already win twice, you can automatically will get the reward custom like this. And if you are already get the reward, you need to select or choose the custom that you want to wear, okay, for your team. For example, I want to wear the navy, okay, and then click choose, and you can close. You can also choose the design is for the home match or the away match. Okay, for this example I will play for my home. Okay, home match. Okay, so if my team playing home match, okay, or match at the home, you my team will select the navy custom. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.